Good morning students. Let us start our today's class. Today we will discuss about pressure. Pressure is produced when a force acts on an object, and the effect of force applied by one object on another object depends on area of contact between the two objects. Now let us consider one example. If we push hard on a piece of wood with our thumb, the thumb does not go into the wood. But if we push a drawing pin into the wood with the same force of our thumb, the drawing pin goes into the wood. Now to understand this phenomena, first we have to know about the pressure. So what is pressure? Pressure is the force acting on an unit area of the object. That is, pressure equals to force by area. Now if we represent pressure by capital P, force by capital F and area by capital A, then pressure P equals to F by A. So for a constant force, if area on which the force is applied is large, the pressure will be less. And if area of contact is less, then pressure will be high. Now let us explain the example. While we apply force on wood by thumb, the contact area is large, so pressure is less. And when we apply force on wood by thumb through the pin, then the contact area is the tip of the pin, which is very small, so here the pressure is large. So pressure is nothing but force, but it acts per unit area. So from the above discussion we can conclude that pressure depends on two factors. Number one, force applied, and number two, area over which the force acts. Means if we increase or decrease the amount of force, automatically pressure will be increased or decreased, or the same force can produce different pressures depending on the area over which it acts. Now we will discuss the unit of pressure. Now SI unit of force is Newton and SI unit of area is square meter. Now pressure is equals to force by area. Therefore SI unit of pressure is Newton per square meter, which is known as Pascal. So 1 Pascal equals to 1 Newton per meter square. Now Pascal is very small unit of pressure. So a bigger unit of pressure is kilopascal, where 1 kilopascal is equals to 1000 Pascal. Now let us discuss one numerical problem related to the topic. Here a force of 100 Newton is applied to an object of area 2 meter square. We have to calculate the pressure. Now here force equals to 100 Newton and area equals to 2 meter square. Now using the relation of pressure equals to force by area, just we have to substitute the value of force and area, which is 100 Newton and 2 meter square. We will get the pressure equals to 50 Newton per meter square or 50 Pascal. Next we will explain some everyday observations on the basis of pressure. Do you know why school bags have white straps? Actually, a school bag has white strap made of thick cloth so that the weight of bag may fall over a large area of the shoulder of the child, producing less pressure on the shoulder. And due to less pressure, it is more comfortable to carry the heavy school bag. On the other hand, if the school bag has a strap made of thin string, then the weight of school bag will fall over a small area of the shoulder, and this will produce a large pressure on the shoulder of the child, and it will become very painful to carry the heavy school bag. Now, why a sharp knife cuts better than a blunt knife? A sharp knife has a very thin edge of its blade, whereas a blunt knife has a thicker edge. So if we apply same force by both the knives, the pressure developed by the sharp knife will be more than the blunt knife. That is why a sharp knife cuts better than a blunt knife. So this much is for today's class. Thank you.